Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in this episode, we're checking out the key currently listed also as the key on the Binance exchange. So this is what we're gonna look at. And by the way, if you're holding on to the key, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you never ever miss out on any content regarding the key and any price analysis and upcoming trends. All right, guys. So I'm not a financial advisor, so please be sure to do always your own research before you get into crypto because it is pretty darn risky. All right, so without further ado, let's check it out. It's currently being traded at 1 cent, which makes it a very, very cheap crypto to get in. So you can have tons of keys by your side. So let's try to understand exactly what the hell's going on. Let's analyze a little bit of numbers here and crunch through them so that we can see what are the trends for the crypto asset, which is the key right now. All right, so currently, as you can see, we're not necessarily in the middle, but we're trading pretty much on a low end of the spectrum for this crypto asset. It has undergone a huge bearish, fall right here, as you can see, but it did had a little bit of support, right? It did had a little bit of support from the bulls, but still, it is very, very bullish right now. And you can also see that there were a few pumps that were very, very on schedule. And it looks like the next one is probably going to be a breakout point at approximately on the 25th. So that is in 6 days, guys. So hold on to your hats for 6 more days until a breakout might actually happen. If you are looking, for example, for that shift, there you go. So it's currently, obviously you can't expect it to hit exactly that precise date, but on that date you might have a little breakout. At least this is what the traders are expecting, guys. They're expecting it to stay anywhere between 1.2 cents and maybe 0.9 cents. And mind you, guys, let's switch over to the weekly market candlestick view so that you understand the current cycle that is going through. So as if we look at the moving average convergence divergence chart, we see that the MACD chart is actually showing us a nice little cycle right here that went up in flames and then went into hell. So this was the one of the lowest moments of this crypto asset right here. So it's currently finishing up the current convergence and divergence that it is going through. So it might actually pump up very, very soon, guys. And this is what I'm telling you. So let us just zoom in just a bit. So as I drew here, this is the convergence spot, and it falls in line. Sorry, it is the breakpoint spot at 1.1 cent, and is exactly on line with the end of cycle for the MACD indicator. And look, you also see here the stochastic RSI indicator that is reversing its trend right now. So it did go through the trend reversal right here, and it is very cyclical, as you can see. So it might actually go up just a bit and then go down, unfortunately, and then finally go up. And this will be the mega trend reversal. So this is what I'm saying, guys. It's approximately possible that it might not necessarily explode and break out on a positive note. It might actually fall down towards the 0.6 cent mark. Yeah, that's quite a fall, because if you're actually measuring the fall is not funny. Let me see. I'm gonna tell you approximately how much you can actually lose here. So 41% of your earnings is what is possible to lose. So this is why, if you're very bullish about this crypto asset right here, about the key, what you can do to stay safe. And I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Always do your own research. And by the way, if you have any urgent questions for me, hit me up on Patreon. I'm there on the Messenger, and you'll also have access to the VIP Discord channel. So there's that. So guys, just be careful, because the next resistance level, support level is at minus 40%. So let that sink in just a little bit before you actually make a trade. What you can do, if you are bullish about the key, and if you think that it is going to go through a nice little um, bullish path, well, in that case, stake 50%. Like, just get rid of 50% and maybe buy them on the low. Worst case, take your 50% and put them in another crypto, but that way at least you'll keep 50% of your money for an upcoming slide in prices, where finally it might go through a trend reversal, as you can see right here. And the trend reversal, well, guys, it I think it has 80% chances of happening. Let me just show you what I mean. So currently, again, we're seeing on um, the weekly candlestick, and look at this right here, guys. So you see here, one buy, three sell weeks, one buy week, three sell weeks, three buy weeks, and one sell week. So normally sell weeks last for approximately like 3 weeks. So probably that's pretty much what's gonna happen. You're gonna probably see two more sell weeks, and then you're finally gonna be able to get back in for a nice little green, guys, for a nice little green. So if we check out the dates, on this date we're like, what, this is the 14th, that it says this is the 21st, and then approximately on the 5th of May, sorry. Oh my god, on the 5th of next month, guys, you're gonna be able to put your money back into the key to get some green. So this is what I see. Until then, probably a lot of bears are gonna be running for the hills, unfortunately. So this is what's probably gonna happen. Of course, this is just my opinion, guys. Do your own research, check out other YouTube channels, check out other crypto traders, what they have to say about this. But we're also seeing here a trend reversal coming up. Once it's done, it's pretty much on spot with what I told you guys. It's the volume oscillator is gonna start moving around at approximately that time that I told you, approximately like on the 5th of next month. So again, guys, be careful with the key. Okay, and again, if you have any questions, let me know on Patreon. I have the instant messenger there. And also, if you want to support this channel, I would definitely appreciate that via Patreon. Please subscribe. If you did, let me know who you are. That way I can say, hey, personally, I can say hello and welcome to the Crypto Intel. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. By the way, already 3.1 thousand subs. OMG, that is just too much. Did I deserve that much in so little time? I don't think so. I mean, oh my god, okay. All right, guys, see you on the next episode. Cheers.